after entering our information, we come to the home screen and we want to add the Google Play Store. The Google Play Store right there, we're going to click on that. And in the Google Play Store, we need to install the Downloader app. And the way we do that is we search for it in the top right and click and spell out Downloader. Once we type in Downloader, we want to install the application. Once installed, we want to click Open. The Downloader app is an app that we'll use to get the TV guide. So we're going to click Allow on that pop-up. We'll hit OK here. And in the URL, this is where you want to type in whatever TV guide provider numbers that they give you. For this particular download, we're going to use 59006. So type 59006 and hit Go. Once we hit Go, it's going to redirect us to the page where we'll be able to install and download the TV guide. Upon coming to this download screen, you might get a pop-up. If not, we want to go down. There's the pop-up I mentioned. We'll click off of that, and we want to go down to the TV apps, and we're going to install the Underground TV Mate. If it's the first time we're installing, we're going to get the security pop-up saying that we're unable to install unknown apps. We will then go to the settings. Over here at the settings, we're going to be able to install the TV guide, so we need to allow Downloader to install it. So we'll click this and it hits allow. Now when we hit the back arrow, we'll be able to install the TV guide. Sometimes it'll kick you back out to the home screen, so we'll just re-enter the numbers and download the TV guide. So we re-enter the numbers 59006, we'll hit go, and now it'll redirect us to where we can install the TV guide now. Here we are again. This time we'll go down and we'll install the Underground TV Mate. We'll click install now, as where we couldn't before, and now the guide is installing. From here we need to enter our username and password. The username and password you'll be able to get from your provider. We're going to hit open. On the first screen here we got the login. We're going to click the login on the left, and we're going to click account login. Now in the first spot where it says any name, you can put in anything. So I'm just going to type a bunch of Q's. And then when I hit next, the next spot will be for the username. You'll get your username and password, and then you'll hit next. Put in your username and password. You'll include VOD, hit next, and the processing will start and the playlist will get processed. Once it does that, you hit done and your TV guide is installed. From here we want to let it load up, and we want to scroll to the left to get to the menus. Here's a remote control pop-up giving you some information on your remote control. From there we're going to click to the left, and this is where we have all our categories. I'll go down to US Entertainment. And there you have it.